The vivomeetings Learning Center provides convenient access to information about vivomeetings products and features.
Hey there, welcome to this video, and I want to show you how you can share your content by uploading it to the Drive facility. Now, this is only available on Pro plans. Now, we know that if you want to share content, you can share it in the chat. But one of the challenges here is that if you share content in the chat, everybody can download it. So let's say you have some confidential document that you want to show and you don't want people to be able to download it. Then what you can do is you can upload it to the content library. So let's take a look. Okay, so here I am in my Drive area here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Content Library and I'm going to say Upload New File. And I'm going to drag a file here. Now, as you can see, in this file called AI Prompt Guide will actually upload and it will start to process. Now that the file is processed, I can start a meeting. And here I am. So now what I can do is I can click on Share. I can say Present Files and Media. And because I'm on the Pro plan, I have From My Content Library. And now I simply click on the file and I click Present. And this will be presented on screen, but people will not be able to download it. So this is the key. Now, let me just stop the meeting here. Now, if I want to see if the file was shared in the chat, I go to Drive, I go Share During Meetings, and I can see that these files were shared during the meeting via chat. And I know that people could have downloaded them. Now, you may be asking, what's the difference between Content Library and Shared During Meetings? If I click on Share During Meetings, these are files that I shared in the chat, not via the Content Library. So using the Content Library is very, very useful in order to have the content ready to share, but it ensures that your participants cannot download it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, make sure to subscribe to our channel, make sure to click that bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new training. I'll see you in the next video.